I had to go, I'm sorry. I hope you'll understand that even though it's over, you know it's not the end. I couldn't be your half, just forming out a whole. I can't complete you, baby. Find solace in your soul. And I hate to leave you feeling all alone, but your story cannot start until you've grown. You can find how to be okay on your own. I just can't be the one that makes you feel at home. I need some time to myself so I can comprehend. I'm not so scared to admit I could use a friend. I need some time to myself to gain some confidence. Another confidant till I can fall again. You know that I feel empty. I just want a hand to hold. But now that it's all over, my life isn't so cold. It wasn't meant to be. Maybe we knew that from the start. I can't complete you,